Hola amigos, I'm gonna cook for you today a delicious mud cake. But this one is very different. It's got a very special Spanish ingredient. The Dulce De Leche. It's pretty much like a milk jam. And this mud cake, the topping is gonna be very different. It's gonna be a Swiss meringue. So, ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts. I'm gonna cook for you Dulce De Leche mud cake with Swiss meringue, and we're gonna burn it, so it's gonna look fantastic. Everybody thinking a mud cake like something really hard to cook. It's very easy. All you need, saucepan, thick, butter, the whole block. Just cut it up in nice cubes in the pot. Really simple. Chocolate, the whole block. Just chop it off in the saucepan as well. Now, brown sugar and caster sugar. Brown sugar gives you a caramelly feeling. Now, we're going for the flavoring. Vanilla makes everything fantastic. And cocoa powder, okay, to intensify the personality. And so just a pinch of salt. And now, to thin everything up, a little bit of water. This is warm it up, and with the spatula, bring it all together. So we got a really intense smell from the vanilla. The butter is melting away. So when it's got a really nice silky look, and what we're gonna do is go wet into dries. We got a little bit of flour. The flour is gonna build the volume in the cake slowly, okay? So we're getting a really nice, consistent, uniform batter. Done. And just keep whiskey business, okay? Until you don't see any of that flour floating around. Now is when we put the eggs inside. 3 eggs. Eggs is gonna be like the real business, what is gonna hold the cake up. Check this out. I know it looks super wet, but it's a mud cake. So it's gonna be a really nice, moist cake. 22 centimeters, baby. Okay, we're gonna line this cake tin with a little bit of baking paper, some butter, spray olive oil, and now, there you go, all in. And with the spatula, make sure you don't waste anything, voila. And I give it a quick shake like that, just to get rid of a few of the bubbles. And what we do now, 160 degrees, 1 hour and 10 minutes, the cake will be delicious. Ready to rock? Opa. I'll see you soon. Let's get set up for the meringue. Cooking is all about timing. So when the cake is in the oven, we're gonna start working our meringue. Now, this is not any meringue. This is a Swiss meringue. And it's actually a really simple process. Very hard to stuff it up. All you need is eggs, obviously, and sugar. Now, we're gonna bain-marie that is gonna cook slowly the eggs. First job is to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. You actually don't wanna crack a little bit of the egg yolk inside the egg white because now it's game over. And you do that 6 times, okay? Next step. So very simple. The egg whites go into the sugar. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a little bit of corn flour. It will help to build a really nice body. Start the fire. So we just get the heat from the steam and just whisk it for around 6 to 7 minutes until it becomes really shiny and glossy. And you'll have a perfect meringue. And what you're looking for is the soft ribbon. And this is the consistency that you want. And now all we have left to do is just cool it down. And to do that, just in the mixer, ooh, so nice. Now, a lot of power. And let's check the cake. Nice and cool down now. Look at this beauty. And now, take it all off. So now, the meringue is ready to rock. And this is when we give it the Miguel spin. It's actually putting the Dulce De Leche on top. So just don't be shy with this, okay? And with one of these spatulas, make sure you got an even layer underneath so you got nice surprises. A little pinch of salt. And from this stage, finish to ice it with the meringue. Oh, this is the best feeling. Meringue has got such a body. And now, if you can't handle the heat, get out of the kitchen. Check this out. Feel proud, look at this. Just let the flame finish the job. And all the sugars just caramelize beautifully. Well. And there you have it. My Dulce De Leche mud cake with burnt Swiss meringue. Just delicious.